What is up, guys? This is Larry again. Today I will show how to install a case saver. I already have one installed on this bike, but if you can see, let's get some light here. I had broke a chain off and just wanted to put a new one on there. One of the bolts broke, so. See, it definitely works. Definitely highly recommend one. And what you're going to need is 14mm. Get your pegs off. Actually, just loosen that one. Set it off to the side like that. And be 12mm there. Might want to mark where you have, or keep a good visual of your shifter, just so you can put it back in the same spot. I kind of know where it's at, so. Got sand everywhere. These are 4mm Allen heads. So as you can tell, it's already been smacked by a chain before from the previous owner, and that's why I put this on. And it was a good thing, because chain broke like right afterwards, and could have been a lot worse than it was. Here's the new case saver. It's like 26 bucks on eBay. Comes with new bolts. I couldn't manage to get that other one out, so I'm just gonna have to run it with two. Oh, and put Loctite on these. Here's the Loctite. Just put a little dab on like that. So at some point in time, you're going to have to modify this in order to get that case saver on. I just used some dikes and cut this all up flat. Doesn't have to be perfect, just enough so it clears in there. Alright, now everything's all clean. Let's throw it back together. Put the cover back on. shifter back on. That's how you install a alba case saver. Highly recommend one. They do work.